agus ligan seoir an taobh lína tá Laoch na hImeartha agus Laoch na hImeartha Neovis a Diarmuid O'Connor. Diarmuid, since the Mayo team last won the league in 2001, teams from the county have been here in 3 league finals, 6 All-Ireland finals, have never won any of them. To finally have turned that around this afternoon and to be going home with the trophy back to Mayo, how proud of your team?
Yeah, it's been a long time, but to be honest, we weren't thinking of the last few years. It was a brand new year this year, new management, new players in, and we just focused on this year, and we just improved on the basics and got the basics right. We kind of made a few small errors in the first half. We tweaked a few things at half-time, and we stepped it up a gear, and thankfully we came right in the end.
And for people will talk about the 3 goals, Diarmuid, which were crucial this afternoon. But for someone like Rob Henley, who's had mixed fortunes here in Croke Park, to come up with that save 5 minutes from the end, what a special moment that was.
Oh yeah, Robbie's an unbelievable keeper. I don't know how many high balls he caught under the crossbar, which is unreal, not just a save, but yeah, we always trust in Robbie, and he's a great keeper, and yeah, everyone played well today, 1-15, and all the subs that came off the bench. We've had some great impact off the bench so far this year, and it continued today, and we needed it.
You had a massive support again here today, Diarmuid. I think they're here to cheer you all the way home.
Yeah, they're unbelievable. The Mayo supporters don't need any introduction at this stage. They're unbelievable. They've been with us through the good days and the bad days, so everything we do it for them.
Cóhardabas that tú Laoch na hImeartha seo tradóna agus Peter Kilcullen her cheann alliance of running gradam Laoch na hImeartha Diarmuid O'Connor.